You are welcome to online lectures with Eternity the Schoolboy. Today we take a look at mathematics and we have a question on the board. The question says, if A is a set of multiples of 2 and B is a set of multiples of 3, C a set of factors of 6, are subsets of the universal set X such that 1 is less than or equal to X, which is also less than and equal to 10. Find A prime intersect B prime intersect C prime, or A complement intersect B complement intersect C complement. The question source is WASI 2020 Mathematics, Theory Part, Question 1A. So let's solve this question. Solution. First of all, I want to start by listing the content of the universal sets with this definition here, that X is such that 1 is less than or equal to X, which is less than or equal to 10. Now, so the universal set mu is now equal to, okay, 1. So what it means is that 1 is less than or equal to X. So 1 is inclusive, less than or equal to 1 is inclusive in the content of this universal set. But 1 is less than or equal to X. So what it means is that 1, you start from 1. So X includes values that starts from 1. Had it been is just only less than X. Less than X, that means, sorry, 1 is less than X. That means X will start from 2. But this equal to means that 1 is inclusive. So X will start from 1. And the same X is less than or equal to 10. So this is the upper boundary, upper limit, and this is the lower limit. So 10 is inclusive. So that means X is a range of numbers from 1 to 10, and 1 and 10 are inclusive. So X is 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the content of the universal set from 1 to 10. Now let's take each of these subsets, because these sets A, B, C are subsets of this universal set. So let's look at A. Let's list A. A is a set of multiples of 2. So if you don't know the multiples of 2, what multiples are, you'll not be able to get this content of A. Now, what is a multiple? Let me just break it down. No long grammar. What is a multiple of a number? It's simple. A multiple of a number is a number. Any multiple of a multiple of a number or multiples of a number are numbers. That number can divide without any remainder. Multiples of a number are those numbers the number equates to can divide without any remainder. So let's look at 2. Multiples of 2 are what? So any number, these 2 can divide without remainder is a multiple of 2. But remember, this A is under the universal set. So you choose those multiples of 2 from this universal set. It's not to infinity. So it's from this universal set. So let's come down here and look at the numbers in this universal set that 2 can divide without remainder. Let's go. If 2 divides 1, there will remainder, so it cannot go. If 2 divides itself is 1 without any remainder, so 2 is also a multiple of 2. 2 divide 3, there will be remainder. So 2 divide 4, 2, no remainder. So 4 is a multiple of 2. 5 divide 2, there will be remainder. So 5 is not a multiple of 2. I mean, yes, 2 divide 5, so not 5 divide 2. So now, 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 will give you 3 remainder 0. So 6 is a multiple of 2. This markers, what's going on? So 6 is a multiple of 2. Okay, I've heard it for a long time without shaking it. Okay. 6 divided by 2 will give you 3 remainder 0. So 6 is a multiple of 2. 7 divided by 2 will give you remainder. So it's not a multiple of 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4 remainder 0. So 8 is a multiple of 2. 9 divided by 2. If you divide it, you have a remainder. So 9 is not a multiple of 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5 remainder 0. So 5 is a so 10 is a multiple of 2. So these are the multiples of 2 from this universal set. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now let's go to B. B says multiples of 3. So let's do the same thing here. Multiples of 3 are those numbers that 3 can divide without any remainder. So let's go. 1 divided by 3, there will be remainder. So 1 is not a multiple of 3. 2, if we 2 divided by 3, there will be remainder. So 2 is not a multiple of 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 remainder 0. So 3 is a multiple of 2. 3 is a multiple of 3. 4 divided by 3, there will be remainder. So 4 is not a multiple of 3. 5 divided by 3, there will also be remainder. So 5 is not a multiple of 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2 remainder 0. So 6 is a multiple of 3. 7 divided by 3, there will be remainder. So 7 is not a multiple of 3. 8 divided by 3, there will be remainder. So 8 is not a multiple of 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3 remainder 0. So there is no remainder. So 9 is a multiple of 3. What of 10? 10 divided by 3, there's remainder. So 10 is not a multiple of 3. So multiples of 3 from 1 to 10 are 3, 6, 9. So let's look at the content of this set C. Remember, C is also a subset of A of U, mu. So what are factors of 6? So again, let's look at what factors are. What are factors of a number? Factors of a number is any number. A factor of a number is any number that can divide that number without remainder. Please know the difference. If you're not careful, you may misplace them. Listen carefully. Factors of a number. Factor of 6 now. Let's use 6 as an example. Factors of 6 are those numbers that can divide 6 without remainder. So any number that can divide 6 without remainder is a factor of what? 6. Multiples of 2 are any number 2 can divide. So let's come here. I want to distinguish between factors and multiples. So let's use multiples and factors under this for 6. Factors of 6 are those numbers that can divide 6 without any remainder. While multiples of 6 are those numbers that 6 can divide without any remainder. Let me come again. Factors of 6 are those numbers that can divide 6. Those ones that cannot divide 6 without remainder are factors of 6. But those ones 6 can divide without remainder are multiples of 6. Okay, now let's continue. So factors of 6 are those numbers that can divide 6. So any number that can divide 6 without a remainder is a factor of 6. Now let's come down here. Let's look at this. Let's select the factors of 6 from this universal set. Let's go. If 1 divides 6, 1 divides 6, it's 6 remainder 0. So 1 is a factor of 6. 2 divides 6 will give you 3 remainder 0. So 2 is a factor of 6. 3 divides 6 will give you 2. No remainder is 0. So 3 is a factor of 6. 4 divides 6, you start seeing 1 point. So 4 is not a factor of 6. The same thing, 5 will give you remainder. It's not a factor of 6. 6 divides 6 is 1, remainder 0. So 6 is a factor of 6. 7 divides 6 will give you remainder. That will remainder the 0 point. 8 divides 6, that will remainder again, 0 point. 9 divides 6, remainder again. 10 divides 6, 0 remainder 6. So there's also what? Remainder. So these ones are not factors of 6. So factors of 6 from this universal set 1 to 10 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So we have succeeded in bringing out all the content of these subsets. Now let us now come over, now get the answer. The question say we should find A prime or A complement intersect B complement of prime intersect C complement of prime. Now let us take the letter. We've known A, B, C. So let's find the set that will define complement of A or A prime. The same thing will be prime C prime. So A prime. First of all, you should let us now explain what this means. This thing on top. What does it mean? A complement of A prime. What does it mean? It means set content of this set will be content that is in the universal set but are not in subset A, in A. Any number or any content in the universal set that is not in the set of A, that content or number, as case may be here, is will be found under A complement or A prime. Let's go. So A complement. So let's look at the numbers that are here but are not here. Let's go. 1 is here, but is there 1 here? So 1 is not here. So 1 is the, I'll write down 1. 2 is here, 2 is here, no need. 3 is here. Is there any 3 here? No 3. So I'll write down 3. 4 is here, 4 is here, no need. 5 is here, no 5 here. So I'll write 5. 6 is here, 6 is here, no 6 is not under it. 7 is here, but there's no 7 here. So I'll write 7. 8 is here, 8 is here, no need. 9 is here, but there's no 9 here. So I'll write 9. Sorry, am I closing? Am I done? 10 is here, 10 is okay. I'm totally done. So A prime, A complement is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So let's look at B complement. Let's go. 1 is here, no 1 here, so I'll write 1. 2 is here, no 2 here, so I'll write 2. 3 is here, no, there's 3 here, so I'll not write 3. 4 is here, there's no 4 here, so I'll write 4. 5 is here, no 5 here, so I'll write 5. 6 is here, there's 6, so I'll not write 6. 7 is here, there's no 7, so I'll write 7. 8 is here, there's no 8 here, so I'll write 8. 9 is here, there's 9, so I'll not write 9. 10 is here, there's no 10, so I'll write 10. Let's list the content of a complement of C or C prime. Let's go. C, let's go. This is C. 1 is here, there's no 1 here, so I'll not write 1. 2 is here, 2 is here, there's 2 here, so I'll not write 2. 3 is here, That's 3 here, so I'll not write 3. 4 is here, there's no 4, so I'll write 4. 5 is here, there's no 5, so I'll write 5. 6 is here, there's 6, so I'll not write 6. 7 is here, there's no 7, so I'll write 7. 8 is here, there's no 8, so I'll write 8. 9 is here, there's no 9. 9 is here, sorry, there's no 9, so I'll write 9. 10 is here, there's no 10 here, so I'll write 10. So these are the complement of ABC. Complement ABC. That is the A prime, B prime, C prime. Now, the question now says A prime intersect B prime intersect C. What it means is that you create another set that includes all the numbers that this A prime, B prime, C prime have in common. This new set now will be the set of numbers that the three of them have in common. So let's go. So let's create that set now. So let's go. There's 1 here. There's 1 here. There's no 1 here. So 1 is not included. There's 3 here. There's no 3 here. There's no 3 here. No. There's 5 here. There's 5 here. There's 5 here. So 5 is part of the set. There's 7 here. There's 7 here. There's 7 here. So 7 is also included. There's 9 here. No 9 here. There's 9 here. So what three of them have in common are 5 and 7. So this is the answer to this question. So the answer to our C 2020 mathematics theory question 1A is 5 and 7. A set of 5 and 7. A prime intersect B prime intersect C prime is equal to a set of what? 5 and 7. A set that contains only 5 and 7. So this is the answer to the question. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, please feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp, or you can drop the questions on the comment sections. My WhatsApp line is on the screen. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is From Eternity the Schoolboy TV. My Facebook name is also From Eternity the Schoolboy TV. Follow me on Facebook and like my page on Facebook. The Facebook name and the YouTube name is on the screen. They share the same name, From Eternity the Schoolboy TV. Please subscribe, follow, like, comment on these lectures, and share with your friends, with your colleagues, with your children, with your students, with your words. Someone out there may be in need of these lectures, and God will bless you as you do so. See you next time.